welcome to Video Cafe. So today, our topic today is social, political, and cultural. So let's continue to the video. Thank you. Community dynamics are these changes in community structure and composition over time. There are a lot of factors that changes in community, and some of these are included here.
This changed the lives of people in the community. The next factor is the change in community institution which includes school, family, and so on.
Last is the change in environment. This may be caused by natural occurring case or random event. Some example of natural occurring case is include earthquake. These are the factor or the community change.
We're gonna talk about people's personal political views and where they come from. Political ideology is all about whether you identify as liberal or conservative. Conservative is a cultural, social, and political philosophy and ideology that seeks to promote and preserve traditional institutions.
Culture is the art related to a set of beliefs. The Philippines has a unique culture. Furthermore, in the past, Harana is the most traditional when it comes to seeing or courting a person you love. Filipino people are used to using po and opo to those who are older than them, and
Thanks for watching. Today, we explore how community dynamic and political ideologies and cultural traditions influence our lives. Understanding this helps us build stronger, more connected communities.